Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to model an hourglass spring, uh, just like this one shown here. Uh, the spring is pretty complex and not very easy to model, so I'm going to show you that. You can see here in SolidWorks I've already modeled one model, and we'll try to replicate the same. Okay, we'll make a new part and start from the front plane. As usual, we'll draw a circle. We can make it, I don't know, 70 millimeters in diameter and accept this. For this purpose, I'm going to make the front plane visible. And then, probably the easiest way to achieve three profiles uh, is to select this plane and hold the control button if you are using a Windows operating system. So click and hold and drag. Now we made another plane. We'll set the distance about 50 millimeters and say we want one more. We can duplicate it. Accept this, and on this plane we will want to create the same circle as we did here. So we'll go to sketch and draw a circle, and the dimension was 70, I believe. Accept, and on the middle plane we'll also draw a circle, but this time we'll make it a dimension of 40. Okay, we'll accept this. You're probably wondering why do we need all these circles? Well, I'll show you soon. We'll go to the Lofted boss base and select all these three circles as our profiles, and then we can see we got this nice hourglass shape. Very pretty. The next thing we need to do is we'll go to this plane again and start a new sketch. Draw a vertical line. The dimensions don't matter really. And we'll exit the sketch, and then again on the top plane I'll draw another one of those lines and accept this. This is where it becomes interesting. We'll go to the insert panel and go to surface and sweep. Then you select these both two lines, and you get a another plane like this, a planar surface. And what is interesting, you need to go to the options panel and say twist along path. So when you increase the angle here, you see what's happening. The plane is bending and it is creating this profile on the surface we created earlier. To shorten the time, we'll pick turns here and click a few times. Okay, we won't make it too complex. We'll accept this, and then yeah, we have this pretty interesting shape here. But then what we need to do is go to convert entities and select this intersection curve. Okay, again, convert entities and intersection curve. We'll select this face and our previous loft. Just a second. When you accept this and hide these two objects, you can see what we got. A pretty interesting result, eh? The rest of the process is pretty easy. All we need to do is make a new plane here, or we can go to the I believe it's the right plane, and we can start from here. No problem. Okay, let's see, right plane, sketch on the right plane, circle. We don't want to make it too big, because if we do, it will be intersecting itself in these parts that are smaller. So we'll give it a dimension of, say, 3, and accept this. The rest is pretty simple. We do a swept out base around this, and there's our spring. Pretty nice. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial and that you will be joining me next time. Goodbye.